Hello guys, my name is Eric, and if you haven't had time to buy a pair of shoes for the fall and winter season and you don't want to mess your summer shoes, these are a great alternative. These are Thursday boots. Let's get right into it. And hey there guys, here we are with the Thursday boots. First off, the shipping was great. It didn't take a whole time. The packaging was alright. It came wrapped up on a plastic bag, but overall great service. The style that I got here are the Captain ones. The unique thing about these is that it has a line throughout the toe box. The color is called Brady, and I find myself liking this more than other browns. The reasons that I got this boot is because the type of leather that it has. Leather only gets better with age, which builds character and uniqueness, and that's what I love about a boot. Some key features about these boots is that they have a Goodyear welt construction, which makes boots water resistant. Who doesn't like that? Another thing that it features is that it has a studded rubber outsoles. This will help you in bad weather conditions because you will have an extra grip on the surface. Basically, it will work great on winter. Other than that, I will review the boots back again in 6 or even a year from now. I will see where they are from that point, and I will review them if they're actually worth the money. Other than that, thank you for watching. Let's go. And that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the like down below. Comment down if you want me to do something else with these boots. I am planning on doing some styles or how to style these kind of boots, and look forward to that. Other than that, please subscribe. See you guys next time.